Hi, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering, and this is a Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud. Now, early last year, we did some work for this particular customer on the door cappings to this set. Now, the door cappings that we did this is one of them. We sent it back as a colour match, and you can see it's absolutely gorgeous, as will this be. So I just want to go through a couple of things to highlight the state of this actual wood set and how it will be transformed into something as good as this. So first of all, you've got the binnacle here, and this is made out of a Bakelite, and you can hear that tapping noise, and that's because this is all snapped in half. So we need to redo that, repair that piece. And then you've got the top roll, as we call it. This is also made out of Bakelite. Now, it has a back edge that sits along the back there, and you can see from that piece that all that is smashed off. It's probably got a little bit wet and it's just falling apart basically. So we're going to have to either renew that or re-glue it, rejoint it and stain it and things like that. So that's that piece. Also, there's a couple of pieces that are off on the ends like there. So that's been smashed off some point in time, but because this is being re-veneered, we shall fill that and then basically we'll veneer over the top, so hopefully you'll never see that. So that's that piece. And then you've got the dash itself, and it sits in the car like that. Now, normally the end pieces that delaminate on this, because that's where it catches the most moisture. This is made up of a plywood and a solid wood. So down here, these need to be re-veneered in a straight grain walnut and stained. Now this piece, what's happened is the glove box door has been removed, and by doing so it hasn't come out, and it looks like it's literally pulled the plywood apart, so it leaves a great big mark in the wood like that. So we will have to take that back off, clean it up, re-glue it, clamp it so it goes flat again before we fill it, and all this is being re-veneered to match that door capping as close as we can. And then we've got the radio panel, the lacquer's lifting off a little bit on that, and obviously the picnic table there, the tray that sits in the front with the little handle on that pulls out with a drawer. And that's it. So hopefully sometime in the near future this can be back on YouTube and on social media, all restored and back to its former glory, to look as good as that. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Like I said, please click like, share and tell your friends. Follow us on YouTube, and if you've got any questions or you want quotes, please get in contact with us. Bye bye.